Take a little minute for your movie. It's the latest and the greatest way to get it now. Anyone can do it. Really not to do it. Jimmy the Ronald, Jimmy the Ronald, Jimmy the Ronald, Ronald McDonald. Jimmy the Ronald, Jimmy the Ronald, do it just like mine and let it smile. You see the cool crazy and out of control. Just keep it to the top and you'll start the show. Oh, well, you're a superstar and they can't choose. Just let the magic move you, you got nothing to lose. When you did the Ronald, you did the Ronald, you did the Ronald, Ronald McDonald.
Dance ka, dali, dance!
You did the Ronald, do it just like mine and let it smile. You did the Ronald, you did the Ronald, you did the Ronald.
Sama ka doon. Dance ka lang.
Alright, so thank you so much, Kid Macdo and Yumi. So okay, so this time, Kid Macdo, choose the two winners. Okay, first one. Sino yung best dancer natin? Okay, sige, go! Okay. Nagtitrip ka pa, Kid Macdo. Oh, wow. Ikaw mag-iisip ng malalim. Wow! Alright, there you go. Okay, so thank you so much, Ate Kaka. Happy birthday, Mateo. And for the last one, sino yung best dancer natin? There you go.
Chloe.
Sit down. There you go. Yay! Alright, so this time we will proceed to our next program. We will have the cake ceremony. So lahat ng kids, especially mommy and daddy of Mateo, will stay at the back of the cake.
Magsali ka!
Time. Okay, so let's wait for the lighter and fan. Okay, so check it out. Alright. So, ayan. Okay, so while waiting, have your picture opportunity with mommy and daddy. Okay. Sir Maggie, I think we're ready. Okay, picture opportunity with the Ate Kaka. Family picture, yes. Alright, so lahat ng kids, this time we will sing a loud song for Mateo. Okay, so we will clap our hands.
Tontuwa.
Alright, so come on everyone, let's sing a loud song for Mateo and then let's clap our hands. Alright, so let us clap our hands, kids. Come on. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Alright, so come on, other ones again, kids. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, so first, okay, so once again, come on. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so first, before we end the song, kids, let's count 1, 2, 3, and then Mateo, blow your candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Mateo!
Yay!
For celebrating his first birthday. Okay, so Kid Macdo, I know you have a gift. Okay, Kid Macdo, there you go. You can give your gift now to Mateo. Wow, happy birthday!
Wow!
Alright, happy birthday.
Ayaw!
Okay, there you go. Yay! Alright, so I have something to say for your baby Mateo for any wish or si Mami na lang daw. Oh, pasahan na. Okay, so Mami. Ako, Leo. Okay, so Mami, message po kay Mateo.
Sana lumaki siyang mabait, healthy, at saka God-fearing.
Yes. So, pala si Mami. Okay, how about si Daddy? Gusto ko na. Yes.
Siyempre katulad din ng wish ng nanay niya. Gusto ko lang lumaki siya ng malusog, malayo sa anumang karamdaman, sakit, and may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang.
Yeah, so palangpalan natin si Mommy and Daddy and so for McDonald's, Team Metropoli, thank you so much Mom and Sir for celebrating Mateo's first birthday party at McDonald's Team Metropoli. Alright, so happy birthday and wish you to be a good one and thank you. So hindi pa tayo tapos. So lahat ng kids, let's form a straight line